What's going on, guys? It's coming up heating season, and a lot of people don't know how to use a fire extinguisher. A lot of people don't have CO alarms either. So we're going to do a rundown for you here. Well, the first thing you're going to need to do is get a general purpose ABC fire extinguisher. This covers trash, wood, paper, liquids, and electrical. So this will cover most everything in your house. Now, the second thing you want to look for is a metal head. If these have plastic heads, they can warp, crack, and can lose propellants. The metal heads can actually be refilled too. And there's an O-ring in here, so the likelihood of the extinguisher going dead in storage is pretty low. Now, to check the propellant, obviously, you're going to see there has the green arrow. If it's within the green mark, it's good to go. If it's anywhere outside of this green mark, the fire extinguisher needs to be recharged or replaced. So you want to remember pass. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. So let's demonstrate that. Pull our pin. Aim. Squeeze. Sweep. The base of the flame. If you go chasing flames that are up here, it's already burnt fuel. It's not going to do anything. So I hope that kind of clears up some things, guys. These are very simple to use, and they can save your life, but obviously use common sense. If the fire is too big, just leave the house and call the fire department. You'll never put it out with one of these. Small fires, small things around the house should do okay, but use your better judgment. Thanks for watching.